All right, guys, thank you for staying with me. So there's one more thing that I actually want to discuss, which is installing the client pack that comes in the that comes with the Eveng. So I'll show how you can basically download the client pack for your machine, and the reason why we install the client pack of Eveng is so that it allows us to choose which application is used when you telnet or SSH to the device. You can either use PuTTY, secure CRT, or whichever the thing. Or sometimes what people do is they also try to set up the packet captures, or they want a RDP or maybe VNC, right? So in all those cases, to have the privileges around, privileges in place, it's always good that you have the client pack installed on your machine. Now, again, you can download the client pack. So I'm gonna say download Eveng client pack for Windows, and it's gonna take me here. It's an executable file. So what you can do is there is this Windows client side, which actually is the Windows client pack, and there it goes. So it says Windows integration pack. Click on it. It takes me to the mega link here. Okay, so I'm gonna download it. It's not a bigger file, so it's of 61 MBs. It will take 26 seconds. Okay, 6, 4, decrypting. Okay, so uh, next is it should get automatically downloaded if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there you go. So here it's transferring this file into your PC now. Uh, okay, so I'll just try to run it, and I'm gonna go to the file manager so that I can run it as an admin, which is the recommended option. So I go to downloads. This is the .exe file. I'll right click on it, and then I say run as administrator. Okay, so I'm gonna click on next, next. It says it's going to install Wireshark and Ultra VNC, which is fine. Wireshark is something that I will be using for taking the packet captures, and Ultra VNC is used to remote into the machines, whichever supports the VNC. I'm gonna click next and let it download the Wireshark. Uh, I click the language here. Okay, I accept the agreement. I click on next, 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 next. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the default configuration. So I've not modified any of the settings here. Okay, there you go. So it's saying finishing installation. Okay, I click on next. I say finish. Okay, what is this? Okay, now is the Wireshark. Say next, 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 next. Install USB pcap. Use it. Remove programs. First uninstall any. I wanna do it. Let it download the Wireshark from this machine. So that later on, when you try to take packet capture within the Eveng, this is gonna help you. Okay, click on I agree. Say install. Okay, I click on next. Finish. There you go, the Wireshark now. Okay, let me check the progress. So it says completed. I'll click on next, finish, and we are done. So again, the reason why we installed the client pack, which we downloaded from the Eveng official website, is to allow us to choose the applications, for example, Telnet or SSH, so that if there's anything that we want to do within the Eveng, we don't have to worry about the permissions because we already have all the things installed. For example, VNC, RDP, and any of the keying material that's actually used to access the nodes while you try to uh, SSH or telnet into them using the putty or secure CRT. So there you already have it. So you don't have to worry about that thing. Okay, that's it for this particular video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments. Please take care. Bye.